a solid week for them, but a lot of you guys are getting this nice, really clean. So hopefully you're seeing some parallels to what we did earlier, just for seeing the center line, staying relaxed, going with the flow of what's happening. Can I use you, Mando? Okay, looking for the mouthpiece.
Yeah.
Okay. I promise not to do that. Now, building up, okay? I blast in, he runs the hand, I bridge, I forget to do the hook, pressure's still coming, I need another weapon. I'm going to use the Bong Sao. Bong Sao is a Chinese word for the wing arm. And the wing actually is not a bird's wing, but actually it's the name for the upper arm bone. Okay? The upper arm bone, so from the humerus to the shoulder. So I'm going to use that structure to ride him across. There's the center line. I'm going to pivot on its axis, and there I go. Okay? From this, hit, all these things are right there for you. Okay? You can knock each other down, or you can just simulate some of these. You don't have to. If you want to knock each other down, you can go to the mats. Okay? Again, blasting in, he runs the corner, I roll the Bong Sao, I pivot the arm, strike. Don't have to do it like that, but I want to build your adhesion skill. Out and around, pivot. I didn't even use this yet, I could hit him with that. So you got a few options. Down and around, out and roll it, pivot, hit. You see? Bong Sao and now pivot. So what happens is I go like this, and then I go like this. Okay? We do a lot of this rotation force. Down and around, roll it, hit. Down and around, roll, maybe hit the other hand. Okay? Okay. It's all there once you get into it. No, he doesn't do it, there you go. Okay? Out and around. I need you to feed me the other tools so that I can practice. So I need you to try to hook me and then beat me. So I'll use this what if. Okay, I can't hook you, I don't feel right. I'm too narrow, too small, I'm not angled right. You keep coming. Lift the wing, roll him past the center. I'm on target, I can hit anything.
So you can, when you're going out of the way, you said use that as a strike?
Yeah.
Or,
Watch this, right? So I'm here, whoop, I just come out.
because that seems more natural, you see that a lot, yeah.
I don't like a back fist, so I usually power assist from the hand weapon. Right, this would be here and there.
It does look like a back fist.
It could be a back fist if you want it to be, but I hit him in the temple. I wouldn't crack him in the top of the head. I hit him in
Right.
soft stuff. Could also just be this. Okay, boom, boom. Right. Going back in for that set on the neck.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, or that one, because it's not been doing anything the whole time. Okay, yeah?
That's good.
Questions? You do it to me. So attack, go slow, build it up, I come around, nope, you lost. Down and around, stay attached. I keep reaching, beautiful, you've got the entrance. Now, if you don't feel like you have the access because you didn't pivot this back, fine, hit me with that. I'd like you to train to recreate the front line again. So what goes up comes back down. We never stay up. We always neutralize back to a normal. So do you attack, down and around. You okay? Stay like this. I'm in trouble if that hits me. In my neck. Now you just maybe would want to clear this with a sudden pull. At the same time, you launch a rocket. Again, down and around. Like that, won't stall it. I'm going to go all the way through. Good. Again. You attack me. Down and around. Okay. As a good coach, go ahead. I feed all the way through. Okay. I want you to do the whole move. Well, we built this up. Go again. Down and around. Okay. Now you just have to be prepared at the final sequence to launch the attack. Down, around, there. Okay. And a slap strike. Okay, he's got his mouth fixed. Down and around the other hand. Down and around. Nice set the hook. Back again, back again, back again. A minute of control. Okay. And if you're strong and you're standing upright, you should have a lot of options. So this hopefully just gives you this answer. Sticky hands. Staying attached. Winning at the end.
Until good one, hit him.
Set down and around. Okay? I can take it from that.
Slap.
Now, I've already cleared the way, so obviously there's all sorts of sweeps from that. Okay? I'm just giving you ideas out afterwards. Okay? Basic, okay? You come to me. For a tenth of a second, I got ridden around the front. I got to restart again. No center line, you can't hit me. Okay? You good?
Question.
So,
It's
copies and you're doing good.
Well, so should I cut my circle a little bit smaller, or should it still stay as long as it was before?
Let's go through it, okay? It all depends on the angle of my hook. Good night. You need to make a circular shape based on what I'm doing. So if I'm trying to boot in, ride me up and around. Once the center line is determined, press me through. I can't hit you for a second. I've got to back up. Okay? So how big should that shape be? Your opponent tells you. But let's let the bong sao come all the way to the center. You're going to pivot on the middle of your forearm. Down and around, I pivot on the middle of my forearm. If I get here and you want to change directions, we'll go again. Okay, this is where we get into chi sao. Chi sao is just turning the steering wheel left and right. I come in, I come down, I come around. Maybe you decide you want to go back that way. Okay, we're going back that way. And the whole thing happens on the opposite hemisphere. Okay?
And I'm gonna assume the lopsal drill is what really
Here?
trains that.
Oh, yeah, you
Yeah,
could.
yeah.
But actually, the classical is a knife hand, not the knuckle punch. Knuckle punch is just to round out the curves and make it safe for us to practice. I would actually knife him, and that's the end of my partner.
That's the end of us.
So, I would throw the rock instead of throwing the knife. Okay, just throw the rock. Practice. You got this? Go, 50 seconds. At least one more. Don't have to count it now. So what I did, the bong sao.
I'm gonna go.